You might not be earning as much. You might not live in that house that you live in. You might not be driving the fast cars that you live, but you'll be happy or you'll be content. And that for me is priceless. Maybe therapy is not feasible for everybody. Maybe not everybody feels comfortable with going to therapy, but at least find that courage to talk to somebody. They might not have the answers. There might be friends and family have an emotional attachment. They'd be kind of upset or distressed for what you share with them. But at least the fact that you feel heard can be quite helpful. By thinking about your life, thinking about your purpose, thinking about the things that you could do to change your life. Sometimes that could be about our career. Sometimes that could be about our relationship. Sometimes that could be about finances. So think about the things that you could do, and it's going to be very specific to your life. Unfortunately, there are no generic answers that I can give you that all men should do that, and then that will make their life better. But every individual will probably know what the challenges and difficulties are. But that self-awareness, being reflective about the things that is making you unhappy, and then finding the courage to make small changes. If it's your relationship that is making you sad and depressed, your job and your boss that is making you unhappy and demotivated and depressed, if it's your friendship, it's about the state of your finances. There is always the right people that can give you the right tools and the strategy and advice to rectify those difficulties. And I have to be honest with you, end of the day, all it takes is the courage to make that change. Is it worth it? Of course it is. Nothing in this world is worth your life.